Rule 15 guides every watchkeeper in a crossing situation. Know who is the give-way vessel, act early, and keep your vessel on a safe and steady course. Let's understand this, how Rule 15 guides vessels in crossing encounters.
Crossing situation. When two power-driven vessels are in a crossing situation, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side is the give-way vessel. The give-way vessel has to take action to avoid collision, as it is to the port side of the other vessel. As far as possible, the give-way vessel shall avoid crossing ahead of the stand-on vessel.